Hello, amazing all stars. Today is Friday, February 4th. Let's find out what's on our number corner calendar. We've been talking about those congruent shapes. Let's find out what we have today. Wow. We have two rhombuses. I want you to look at these rhombuses. Remember, we talked about with shapes being congruent. They have to be the same shape and the same size. Are these rhombuses the same shape? And are they the same size? If you say no to either one of those questions, then they are not congruent. This has 1, 2, 3 rows of dots, and this rhombus has only 2 rows of dots. They are not congruent. They are not congruent. Go to our grid, and we'll add for this day that we did have 2 rhombuses. We know rhombuses have 4 sides and 4 vertices, and these shapes are not congruent. Not congruent. Shape A is not congruent with shape B. As we continue to explore more with our number corner, we are now going to move on to our days in school and add another day. We're getting closer and closer to the 100th day of school. Woohoo! And that will be a magical day in our classroom. So we're going to add on another day. Wow! We have 95 days. 95 days, all stars. That means we will be getting closer to our 100th day of school next week. Woohoo! Very good. Let's change this. 95. The number words, 95. 9 groups of 10 and 5 ones. We have 70, 80, 90, 95. 9 dimes is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 5 pennies. And we're done with that. Now, we are going to go to our cubes. Remember, we've been collecting cubes all week. And now we are going to spin to find out how many we're adding on today and how many we'll have all together. 10 cubes. Watch what I'm going to do. It'll make it easier to count how many we have. So we have, and this is a Friday, so we're going to count how many we've collected. We have 10 here, plus another 10 here, which is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 cubes that we have collected this time. And what I am going to do is keep track of this on this chart to remind us that week 1, we had 25 cubes that we collected. And each week, we'll just keep track of how many cubes we've collected on our chart. So week 1, we have 25 cubes. All stars, what I'd like you to do at this time, I would like you to start, if you look at the screen, we have some numbers on our number line on the screen. We have the number 80. And I'd like you to count from the number 80 all the way up to 108. And then count backwards from 108 all the way to 80. I know you can do it. I believe in you, All Stars. Off you go.